Everything was working fine till yesterday, then when I started using it today, it just decided not to work and is showing me this error. I tried to follow what was in the Netflix help section regarding the error code, but it is still not working. I also did a factory reset and I'm still getting the error. A bit disappointed that it decided to give me this error now, that I can't really go outside because of the ongoing pandemic. I hope if anyone had the same problem can help, and share what you did to make it work again. Thank you, kind stranger.
These are the words of a Reddit user on the problem Netflix error code NW-2-5. The solution is on the other side of this intro. Samsung Smart TV comes with built-in streaming capabilities. If you are streaming Netflix on the TV over a wireless network, chances are that you have come across the Netflix error NW-2-5. It indicates a network connectivity issue that prevents your smart TV and connecting to Netflix. This error becomes irksome, particularly since there is no way to open the streaming device. What are the troubleshooting techniques to clear this error? 1. Streaming support network. See, the Netflix services are not blocked by the network administrator if you are using a public Wi-Fi network. Try connecting the smart TV to a different network. 2. Confirm connection. Launch an app and check the internet connection. 3. Restart the TV. Unplug your TV from the power outlet and wait 1 minute before proceeding. Push and then hold down the power button for about 5 seconds to discharge the current remaining in it. If the TV doesn't have a power button, leave the TV unplugged for 3 minutes. Power up the TV again. Switch it on and launch Netflix. 4. Reboot the home network. Disconnect the devices from each other and leave them unplugged for 30 seconds. Power down the smart TV. Pull out the wireless router from the power socket for 30 seconds. Insert the router into the wall outlet and wait until no new indicator lights are blinking on. Power on the smart TV and open Netflix. 5. Direct connection. Turn off the smart TV. Make use of an Ethernet cable to link the smart TV directly to the modem. Detach the modem from the power outlet for at least 30 seconds. Power it up and then wait until no new indicators are blinking. Start Netflix again and see if the error is fixed. 6. Improve the signal. Place the router in the new location to improve the signal. See that the router is in a central position in your house. Keep cordless phones and microwave devices away from your router. Position the router on an elevated surface rather than on a floor. If the problem still persists, reach out to this blog post on Gossipfunda.com, read out and implement the steps to troubleshoot this issue and write down in the comment section if it helps you. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit Gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.